Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a really good and exciting video for you all. I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max in gold. It's such a long-winded name. I feel like these phones in the future are literally going to have like an essay for their names. But nevertheless, I have got it. And I got it on Friday, so the day it came out. Oh my god. Okay, so I've already unboxed it. This video is going to be more of a like comparison video, so against the iPhone X and the 8 Plus, to just give you a bit of a insight onto basically what is the difference and if you should buy it or not. It may give you a bit of a much better understanding. So yeah, I got it in the 256 gig. I think that buying the 512 gig is just basically for people who are A, rich, B, just have money to waste, C, don't have a laptop or any sort of storage other than that, D, just mental. I don't know, but personally I know that I don't need that much storage on my phone. I know that I do fill up the 256, however I don't fill it up massively, and I've always had space. I've never had no issues with that. My lash is falling off. I ran out of my glue today, so I'm going to use a different one. Anyway guys, nevertheless I've come to unbox this for you, and it is a really exciting video, so let's get into it. Okay, so oh guys, just a little detail I want to show you on the box. So when you get the gold edition, the logos are actually in gold, which I'm not really sure. Oh, you may, yeah, there you can see it in the light. So anyway, you can see that it's got the gold detailing, and even on the picture it's got the gold around it, and it's sort of 3D. Anyway, now on to the exciting stuff. So this is obviously how it comes. I don't know why they put this as a front cover. It's almost like they want you to wait before you see the phone. Anyway, and then this is the phone. Oh. Right, and then obviously you get the accessories, so you get the charger port there. I feel like they've wrapped it in a bit of a different paper packaging this time around. Anyway, you get the earphones, and then of course you get the wire to charge your phone. Now onto the phone. By the way, just can I say that this phone is just by far the best colour that they've released ever to date. Oh my god, look at the gold detailing around the side. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's amazing. It's by far the best gold that they've released. And you know, like how before they've had golds, it's almost always been like a rose gold, and it is been a rose gold, and I just feel like they really needed to come out with something that was so much better, and this is it. This is the definition of true amazingness, like literally. Oh shit, watching YouTube before I started this video. Anyway, so yeah, it's literally the best colour. You can see it a bit better in that light there. Yeah, so I mean, oh yeah, I'm just talking about iPhone XX. I'm just talking about iPhone XS Max in 256 gold edition. I seriously cannot keep that in there. Anyway, so yeah, this is the phone, and I just love it. Like, look at how big the screen is. It's massive. The Face ID on this is just so much more faster than any other version. Sorry, the Face ID on this is so much more faster than the previous model. So the sorry, I haven't used this phone in like a while, so it's a bit dusty. I've got a bit of hairspray on it. Anyway, so this is the X and this is the X Plus. So look, you can oh. Anyway, let me take this screen protector off for you. This case, sorry. So that's the back of this one, and that's this one. Sorry, I know you can see like the reflection of my lighting, but I apologise. And then this is it. So if I can turn this on. No, it's dead. However, this is, look, so much better. I loved this phone when it first came out. I absolutely adored this phone. However, I found not just with my phone but with everybody else's phone, this phone just used to bug me. Like, it just used to be delayed and slow and everything. Used to freeze sometimes, used to restart, and I was just like, seriously? I'm a kind of lazy person, so I won't go back to Apple. I won't go back to the people that I bought this phone from if it was on a contract or whatever. I won't do it. I wouldn't have the patience. And I'll just continue using the phone. However, it comes to a point where I was just like, you know what? I'm done with this phone. If everybody else's phone's messed up, then I'm not going to use this phone. So that went. Then hailed the XS Plus. Oh, I just cleared my notifications. Mate. So, come the 8S Plus, and I loved the basics of this phone because it's much more thinner than this phone. It had a home button, and I sort of lived for the home button because I was just like over with the Face ID on this phone. It never used to work. I was sick of typing my password in. Yeah. Anyway, so ultimately between these phones I loved this phone. And this one just sort of went, see you later. So anyway, this is the red 8S Plus, and I'm going to show you the screen, the size difference first against these phones. I'm trying to show, okay, let me show you this way. So they are basically the exact same size. I think that they're the same thickness. No. So if you can see very closely, however, hold on. This is much, well, not much more thicker, but it's thicker. And that's what I thought about this and this. Like the X and the 8 Plus, I knew that this was the X was thicker than the 8 Plus. That's what I missed, is I felt I could notice straight away the amount of difference it was. Okay, so next let's show you the difference in screens. This is amazing, by the way, look. So you've gained a whole extra load of screen space. So this is actually 6.5 inches, I believe. 1 minute. 6.5 inches, I was right. Anyway, so a whole load of screen space extra. And yeah, ultimately this phone I think is gonna win every other phone out there. I think it's gonna win the Samsungs whenever the new one comes out. I think it's the S9, if it's already out. Note 9. The Note 9, sorry. It's going to win the Note 9, it's going to win the S9, it's going to win the S9 Plus, it's going to win the One Note, it's going to win the Hawaii P20 Pro. This phone is now going to be there to die for. Anyway, so to protect your phone, you're going to want to get decent protection. So I've got for the case I used the Spigen ultra hybrid case. Don't know, but it's pretty basic. It was just a clear back case, and it looks like this. Very basic. And then for the screen protector, you really want to pay more for your screen protector. So I'd suggest you go for a branded one, and something that is really trusted, to be fair, in the industry. So I went for the Pleaseeeee glass easy fit premium tempered glass screen protector, easy and perfect with a tray, and it comes in a 2-pack. Now the great thing with these is it comes with all the cleansing cloth and whatever you have it, but look at it comes with this, so it's foolproof on how to apply. Basically you put that in and you follow the instructions, but you don't have to measure it up, so that's a great thing. So the only thing I found is I had one bubble with it, but yeah, it makes it so much easier to apply. However, unfortunately I've already applied that, so I can't show you how I apply that. I'll show you what it looks like in the case. And eventually I wanted to buy the folios that Apple do for this phone. However, I'm not paying £129.90. I am not paying that, Apple. It's not a designer case. If it was a designer case, then all day long I'd buy it, but it's not. So Apple, rethink your prices. Also guys, if you want to see how I created this quick look today, it's very quick and simple. By the way, check out my channel, I've uploaded it, so stay tuned to that. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next video.